Excavator is cleaning the garbage in the river. Excavator, wait a moment. Truck is coming. Prepare your receiving bucket. Excavator, throw it up.
Hey!
Truck, you are excellent. Excavator continues cleaning. Try to throw it up.
Hey!
1, 2, 3. Truck, take them away. It seems to be raining. Let's speed up.
Okay.
Oh no! It's raining now. It seems not good. Hurry up, Excavator! Oh, what should I do? Excavator is in danger. It's critical. What should we do? Look, truck is back. With a cart of stones. Truck, block the gap with stones. Hey-ya! Look, the flood is receding. Fortunately, the gap was blocked on time. Good job, truck! Excavator continues working. Hook up the broken bucket. Truck, go to take the garbage away. Excavator, throw it up.
Okay.
Hey!
1, 2, 3. Get it! Truck, take the garbage away.
Okay.
Look! It's a meteorite. It smashed a crater in the road. Oh, Bus doesn't know what happened. He is approaching. Brake! Bus! Oh, luckily it stopped. But how to get across? Oh, maybe this way. Bus is going to try. Be careful. Oh! Bus has fallen into the crater. Come on, Bus! Whoops, not working.
Oh.
Digger, go up and help Bus. Extend the bucket and hook it. Come on, Excavator! Oops. Try again. Bus, you also need to try harder. We made it! Such a huge crater! How to surface the road? Tenny, please cut the tree to pave the way. Tenny jumped off to cut it. Almost there.
Hey! Hey-ya!
Excavator, push it down. Yeah, we have laid it flat. Tenny, please trim the branches. truck is coming! Load the truck on the truck. Truck, you can take it away. Unload the truck. Excavator, press it down. All right, get up there and check it. Bus, you can go across it. What's Burner doing here? Truck, Burner is there. Be careful. Oops, Burner is a setting trap. Brake! Oh, truck fell into the trap, finally. It's hateful of Burner's trap. Truck, can you try to climb out? No, I can't. What's Burner doing? It is rearranging the trap. It's hateful. Kenny, there's a trap ahead. Stop! Luckily, Excavator stopped. No, Burner is making trouble. Oh no, Tyrannosaurus Rex! Tenny, try to get the truck out. Come on, harder! Tyrannosaurus Rex comes. What should we do? The hateful Burner. Don't worry, Excavator is great. Come on, Excavator! Yeah, Excavator won. Burner gets angry. Run, Burner! Tenny, let's rescue the truck. Hook the rear. Pull it up. Oh yeah! The truck is saved. Look, it's Tenny and Excavator. They get to moving the oil drum. Truck comes to load them. We need to go to load the grass too. Look, truck is falling asleep. Hang in! It is the last bundle. Truck, you can take them away. Huh? Oh, truck is getting asleep. Haha! You're awake! It's all loaded. Please take them away. Truck is still sleepy. monster truck! No! It's Tyrannosaurus Rex! Stop! Get out of the way! Truck, you are in trouble! Shh! Quiet! No! Tyrannosaurus Rex is going to push it off the cliff! What should we do? Excavator! Truck needs your help! Excavator and Tyrannosaurus Rex is battling! Tenny! Throw the bomb! One, 2, 3, throw! Yeah! Tyrannosaurus Rex ran away! No! Oil drums is leaking and the grass is on fire! Tenny, put out the fire! Hook up a bucket of water here! Put out the fire! Luckily, Truck wasn't hurt. Look, it's Tyrannosaurus Rex. It's Drumstick? Tyrannosaurus Rex, don't eat it! Damn it! This is a trap set by Burner! Tyrannosaurus Rex has been deceived! Wow! Drumstick! Oh my! Tyrannosaurus Rex fell into a trap! It was injured by an iron clip. Damn it! Look! Who's coming over? Tenny!
Hi!
Oh, poor Tyrannosaurus Rex. Drive Booer away! 1, 2, 3! Let's save Tyrannosaurus Rex! Drive Excavator! Lower Excavator! Oh no! You scared Tyrannosaurus Rex! Come on, Excavator! It's free! We need to find a way! Yes! You can first stun Tyrannosaurus Rex. Look! Tyrannosaurus Rex has been knocked unconscious. Excavator, go ahead and hook it up. Hook onto Tyrannosaurus Rex. Come on! Excavator! Tenny, take a closer look. Oh, I got pinched by an iron clip. Tenny, open the iron clip. Oh no, it's bleeding. What should I do? Look, it's a truck. It brought the medicine box. What is in medicine box? Bandage? Go and bandage Tyrannosaurus Rex. Excavator, wake up Tyrannosaurus Rex. Finally woke up. Tenny, don't be afraid. Tyrannosaurus Rex won't harm you. It's Tyrannosaurus Rex! It didn't find Burner. Hurry up and hide! Almost caught! How to lead Tyrannosaurus Rex away? Got it! Use drumstick. It has been deceived. It ate the drumstick. Look, there's another drumstick. Oh, it's dangerous. Tyrannosaurus Rex fell into the trap. Oh no! Burner wants to steal dinosaur eggs. Tenny, stop and rescue it. Tyrannosaurus Rex, Tenny is coming. Adjust the position of Excavator. Hook up the Tyrannosaurus Rex. Come on, Excavator! Tyrannosaurus Rex, go and take a look at your nest. The dinosaur egg was stolen. Who did it? Tenny, help it find the egg. Will it hide in the river? Tenny, jump into the water and look for it. Oh, there's nothing under the river. Let's go look elsewhere. Tyrannosaurus Rex has not been found either. Where exactly is the eggs? What's the sound? Hurry up and take a look. It's stolen by Burner. Excavator sends dinosaur egg back. Tyrannosaurus Rex, hurry up! Excavator finds the egg. Let's put down the egg. You have to keep an eye on your egg. Look, here comes Excavator. Tenny, please repair the road. Drive over carefully. We need to clean up the wood first. Throw it under the cliff. All the wood needs to be cleaned up. Done! Huh? What should we do with such a big pit? Whoa! It's a truck! It has a lot of stones there. Let's fill the pit with stones. Be careful! Excavator picks up stones. Load into the carriage. A full carriage is loaded. Truck, you can take it away. Transport is also here. Pick up sediment from the river. Load on the transport. Let's continue. Pull into the carriage. Look, it's full now. Take it away. Tenny, help truck unload the stones. Oh, they are stable enough. Oh no! Truck fell into the pit. What is transport going to do? Oh, someone is in the pit. The engine is too loud. Transport can't hear that. Truck is buried halfway in the pit. Tenny, give him a hand. Come on, Tenny. Truck, are you okay? It looks all right. Truck arrived at the dock. Tenny, please load the drums. Put them carefully. Huh? What's the noise? It's cloudy. It seems going to rain. Let's be quicker. Done! Truck, you can take them away. Thunder and lightning ahead! Truck, take care! No! A huge lightning! No! Truck is out of control! Truck, are you okay? Tenny, truck needs help. Oh no! The fire quickly spread. Move to the river and put it out. Push down the oil drum. It's finally out. Look! Truck is dirty now. Excavator, please clean it. Tenny, go to help it. Tenny uses a sponge. Scrub. Okay. Oh, I can't rinse the foam. Pump comes. Hose connected. Are you ready? Wow, it's clean now.